The season for lawn maintenance is right around the corner, and it's the right time to brush up on some old skill sets or learn a new one. Hey, what's going on? This is Markie and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Enjoy the tutorial and the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. So this course will show you and teach you the lawn company secrets and will enable you to start expanding your business or help you start one. This course will teach you how to schedule your time to maximize profits, learn where to find the most recent lawn industry news, which I never knew exists. There is many different types of lawn businesses, and you will learn what type of business you should start. So the FYI on this, the course is referring to your location where you live, so forth. Understand the basics of lawn equipment and what you should look for. The course will go over how to write up an estimate that actually helps you get the job, whether it's commercial or residential. Learn the 6 phone tips to increase the number of accounts you get. Depending where you are located, this course will teach you what to do in the cold winter months. Once you got your business up and running, the course will show you ways to put your lawn company on autopilot. And with that free time, you can freelance yourself out to as a mentor to get other people's businesses up and running, but of course, not in your area, but across the state. You will learn secrets to improving your company's image, learn how to name your business so it helps build credibility for you even if you have no experience. If you already have the business up and running, this course will also show you how to spruce that name up and advertise it out there to the public. So the added bonus with this course, they're going to show you how mailing one letter can drastically change your business forever. Not even one veteran lawn company owner in 1,000 even suspect the potency of this simple letter. While your new ads will cause your competition to shake their heads until they see you're taking their customers from them. Learn how to instantly diagnose mistakes in your lawn company so you'll never continue on the wrong path. A complete fail-safe system of correcting your business before it's too late. How to appear as an expert no matter how new you are to the lawn industry and so much more. Many thanks for taking some time out to check my tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Once again, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up. Like if you find this tutorial informative, and comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in. I can send you a link personally to check out. You can also go over to Facebook. You can check me out under Markie Williams, and there I have an online certification course page there you can like and follow as well. Once again, many thanks. And I'm out.